I don't ever for 1 second believe that robots will take over the full job of anybody working in aged care. We still need that emotive, loving care that humans can give to another human, that human touch and so forth. But there is everyday tasks that don't need to be done by highly qualified, highly paid people that can in actual fact be done by a machine quite within budget and so on. So I just say watch this space. When we initially started talking about robots, everybody laughed and they really didn't understand how robots could assist in an aged care facility. When you take that my staff are currently, because of the sheer distances in our facility, my staff are walking, pushing trolleys about 9,000 kilometres a year. During that time, they're injuring themselves, they're sort of causing damage around the establishment, and then whilst they're pushing a trolley, they're not looking after their residents. By having a robot do that actually gives the staff more time, because if I do the return on investment calculation, I've saved probably 2 to 3 full-time equivalent in hours of people just pushing trolleys. So that's about $200,000 a year in personal care wages. And so instead of me saying, well, I've just saved $200,000, I've actually given that time back to my staff to spend more time with their residents. So we have currently 3 robots. 2 of the robots are what we call trucks. So the robots lift and carry anything that can be put on a trolley. Things like food, hot and cold food containers, linen, dirty linen, clean linen, hanging clothes, and rubbish. So if it's in a trolley, it can be put, a robot can pick it up and take it from point A to point B. The third robot that I've got is a special robot that does disinfecting. So it assists us in our infection control. It's a robot that has very strong ultraviolet light, and the robot goes around a very precise, controlled direction around the facility in its corridors and common areas, and the ultraviolet light disinfects the walls, the furniture, and so on as it goes around. It's strong enough to kill the viruses of both gastroenteritis and the flu, and also COVID. Robotics will be a big part of aged care into the future. Even in the time that I've been dealing with robotics in aged care, the cost of robots, the size of robots, the technical abilities of robots has changed quite dramatically. So I'm currently involved with a company here in Adelaide who are producing robots, and Tanunda, Luthern Home will become the testing and development ground for future robots in aged care. There are robots that can assist with mobility, and the nice thing is it's a robotic chair, and the good thing is one robotic chair can in actual fact have 4 other chairs following it, so 5 people can move to the same place at the same time. There's a robot that's I believe will be very much a clinical game changer with the facial recognition, the AI technology that's coming into robots and software. There is so much that this robot will be able to do that I can see it being the next best thing to a registered nurse, or if not an enrolled nurse, because it'll be able to do clinical sorts of things. If anybody wants to give me a call to talk about that robot, feel free to give me a call. there's other robots that can assist with lift and carry tasks and so on. The infection control robot is only going to be getting better and better, smaller and stronger. So I can see that Speckle, our ultraviolet light robot, should be used in all areas of aged care and health into the future.